Would you believe that deep beneath the ocean, there exists a creature with 3 hearts, blue blood, and the ability to completely change its color, shape, and even its entire identity within seconds? A creature so intelligent that it can open glass jars, remember paths, and solve problems so efficiently that some scientists even call it the alien of the ocean. If you enjoy fascinating, mysterious, and mind-blowing documentaries like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so we can continue bringing you more incredible stories from the hidden world of nature. This creature is the octopus, the silent hunter of the deep sea, a living mystery that seems more like science fiction than reality. The octopus is considered one of the most intelligent marine animals on Earth. It has 8 powerful arms, and each arm is covered with suction cups that can not only grip objects firmly, but can also taste what they touch. In other words, an octopus can literally taste with its arms. But perhaps the most astonishing fact about the octopus is its 3 hearts. Yes, the octopus does not have 1 heart, but 3. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart circulates blood throughout the rest of the body. And it becomes even more unbelievable. Its blood is not red, it is blue. Unlike humans, whose blood contains iron, the octopus uses copper-based proteins in its blood. That is why its blood appears blue, especially in the cold depths of the ocean. The eyes of an octopus are another masterpiece of nature. It can see clearly, even in dark underwater environments, detecting the slightest movements around it. Its vision is so advanced that it can quickly react to danger within moments. But the real magic begins when the octopus feels threatened. Within seconds, it can completely change its color. Sometimes red, sometimes brown, sometimes pale white, and sometimes perfectly matching the rocks, sand, or coral around it. This incredible camouflage ability helps it hide from predators. If it is near rocks, it can look exactly like a rock. If it is resting on sand, it can blend into the ocean floor almost perfectly. It does not simply change color, it almost disappears. Some species can even change the texture of their skin to imitate stones, coral, or rough surfaces. Scientists are still amazed by how advanced this natural camouflage system truly is. The octopus is not only intelligent, but also extremely clever and curious. Research has shown that octopuses can solve puzzles, remember solutions, recognize patterns, and even escape from locked containers. In several laboratory experiments, octopuses were seen finding escape routes, opening lids, and crawling through pipes to freedom. Because of these abilities, scientists consider the octopus one of the smartest invertebrates in the animal kingdom. Another unbelievable feature of the octopus is its body structure. It has almost no bones. This allows it to squeeze through incredibly tiny openings. If its beak can fit through a hole, the rest of its body can follow. Just imagine a creature that can shapeshift, hide itself instantly, solve problems, and move through spaces smaller than its own body. The octopus also has an extraordinary defense system. When danger approaches, it releases a cloud of dark ink into the water. This ink creates a smoke-like screen that confuses predators, allowing the octopus to escape within seconds. In some cases, the ink does more than block vision. It can even interfere with a predator's sense of smell and awareness. Another astonishing ability of the octopus is regeneration. If it loses one of its arms, it can grow a new one. Nature has given it the power to rebuild parts of its own body. There are nearly 300 different species of octopus found around the world. Some are tiny enough to fit in the palm of a hand, while others grow into massive creatures with arms stretching several meters long. One of the most famous species is the giant Pacific octopus, considered the largest octopus species on Earth. Some individuals can weigh more than 50 kilograms. Most octopuses live near the ocean floor. They create homes inside caves, rocky areas, coral reefs, or hidden underwater shelters. Interestingly, some octopuses collect shells and stones around their homes, almost like building protective walls for defense. According to scientists, the intelligence of an octopus may rival that of certain small mammals. It can play, explore, recognize objects, and in some situations, even remember human faces. But despite all these extraordinary abilities, the octopus has a surprisingly short lifespan. Most octopuses live only between 1 and 5 years. And perhaps the saddest part of their story is the sacrifice of the mother octopus. After laying eggs, the female guards them for months without properly eating. She continuously cleans and protects the eggs to ensure oxygen reaches them. And once the babies finally hatch, the mother often dies shortly afterward. This heartbreaking sacrifice is considered one of the most emotional survival stories in the underwater world. Even today, scientists continue studying octopuses because their abilities may inspire future robotics, camouflage technology, and artificial intelligence systems. Engineers are already designing soft robots based on the flexible movements of octopus arms. Unfortunately, ocean pollution, plastic waste, and climate change are becoming major threats to these incredible creatures. The underwater world they depend on is slowly changing. Just think about it. Somewhere in the darkness of the deep ocean lives a creature with 3 hearts. Blue blood, shape-shifting abilities, regenerative powers, and intelligence beyond what most people could ever imagine. No cities, no language, no technology. Yet abilities so advanced that humans still struggle to fully understand them. Perhaps that is why the octopus continues to be called one of the greatest mysteries of the ocean. This incredible creature reminds us that nature is far stranger, deeper, and more unbelievable than we often realize. If you enjoy discovering the mysterious world of the octopus, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this documentary with your friends. Because the more we learn about nature, the more extraordinary our world becomes.